back, welcome back, welcome back. This originally was supposed to be a vacation trip maintenance vlog, but it just didn't work out that way. I actually had to go to Best Buy to get like a new SD card situation, but we're back because I need to film this trip. That's how good it's gonna be. I have my laundry going and it's literally right there, so I'm so sorry if it's too loud and you think it's annoying. But I got a bunch of stuff on the mall. Oh hell no! I want to show you everything, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this into like a yes, a maintenance vlog because I still haven't got my nails and my toes done. I did get my eyebrows done though by my girl. She is amazing. I don't even think it's brow threading. Eyebrow body threading salon, but she is amazing. There's no one that does eyebrows like her, and she fixes up people's work, which is amazing. But yeah, I got my eyebrows done. I redid the front of my braids so that they look fresh and so clean. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, and I'm gonna do an everything shower tonight. And I got all my stuff, so I really want to pack tonight because I'm leaving tomorrow. I do have to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave work because I get off at 3, get my nails done, and then I'm gonna head to the airport. So it's all gonna work out. I know it is. But let's start with the let's start with the clothing haul. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox the Sephora stuff. I did get one thing, but I gave it to my mom. It was a Laneige like Valentine's Day set. It had like the small chocolate like lip mask and then the berry lip mask. But I gave it to my mom because she deserved it and I love her. The next thing I got was, I had not tried Dr. Jart's face mask. I think I'm going to take this with me to Miami and do it there just for the vibes. It is the moisturizing hyaluronic acid mask, so we'll see how that goes. You'll probably see it in the Miami vlog, so just be prepared. I got the travel size of the Urban Decay all-nighter spray. Y'all know how much I love this stuff. It is the Belief sunscreen. I just needed another one. This lady in Sephora, she wanted me to buy this so bad, but she was like, let me just give you a sample. I tried it on my hand. It felt pretty good. I think I might actually really like this. I'm starting to get into Peter Thomas Roth. I don't know, his stuff is really interesting to me. So, and he practices, or not practices, but he uses his stuff on women of color, and I think that's amazing. I got a travel size of the Milk primer because I wanted to try it out since everyone's freaking talking about it. This stuff smells so good. I needed to get one. I got the travel size, the big one, the clean perfume, like actual size bottles are very intimidating. So I did not get that. And then I got the You to the People travel cleanser. And then I got the Kosas concealer, because like I told you guys before, the other Kosas concealer I feel like was just not my vibe. Honestly, let's go try this one on. I will try both of them on to see how I like them. This is so fun. Please don't look at my bed behind me. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a lot of things all at once. So this one is, I hope I did not get the same, 0.7 in, and this one's 7.3 in. So I don't know if you can even see a difference. Yeah, one is definitely cooler and one's warmer. So I'm going to put this one on this side of my face. Like that. And then I'm going to put this one on this side of my face. Like that. Ooh, almost mixed. So I'm going to use different sides of the Beauty Blender to kind of blend this in so I can really see a difference. I definitely see a difference. Let's set it before we say anything. What do you guys think? Like, which one's tickling your fancy? I don't know. I think this one's definitely brighter on my face, and this one's more like skin. It kind of looks the same on camera, if we're being for real. Do I have chapstick? But honestly, either way, they're both getting used. But yeah, that's all I got from Sephora. Let's try on the clothes. Okay, y'all. I'm still doing laundry, but everything I got was on sale. Like, there was nothing that I just bought like willy-nilly cotilly. Everything was on sale, so let's try stuff on. So first, I'm gonna start with Aeropostale. They had like a buy one get one free situation going on. Honestly, the worker talked me out of buying one of the items I had. I'm so glad she did. She was so pretty too. But I got these shorts, and then I got like a matching set. And I think this would be so cute with one of those like button-up cover-ups. I'll just try it on. So I left my bra on for research purposes, but like, this is cute. Like, it's comfortable, it's a matching set, and I feel cute. I feel comfy. If you see me looking right here, I'm looking at the mirror. But yeah, it gives. Now let's try it with the shirt. So this is one of Gil's like old shirts that I stole from him. But I thought it would be so cute. Don't look at my armpits. I thought it would be so cute for this outfit. And it is. It's like, I think it's so cute. I'm gonna take the booby things out though. But yeah, I think this is definitely an outfit I can wear. That I will wear. So we're gonna put this in packing for Miami. Next we have PacSun. Now they were doing their sale items. I really only buy from their sale items. Well, not all the time, but most of the time, because it's just such a good deal for like quality stuff. And their jeans, when they go on sale, PacSun jeans are probably my favorite right now. But yeah, today their items were buy one, get 3 free. Duh. So I got a pair of jeans, of course. Look how cute these are. Just the detailing I thought was so cute. This was just a throwaway shirt. Like, I couldn't find anything else I liked, but I like the color of this. I was like, this will go with something. I like the color of this as well. I thought this was super cute. I love light yellow. And I got a satin skirt that I was like, you know, I can do something with this. So let's try and do something with it. Don't mind my Christmas tree. So I just now decided that I'm just gonna show all the stuff I got, and then I'm gonna figure out outfits for them. So next up is Forever 21. Oh my god, I got a bucket hat. I wanna try this on right now. Honestly, I just wanna try it on right now, because I have such a cute outfit idea for this. Okay, it's not terrible. I don't hate it, but I wish it was like bigger. Okay, I don't hate this. I think this is kind of cute. I have the perfect freaking outfit for this, but I'll show you guys later. Y'all, I totally forgot I got these. So I got a bunch of sunglasses, and let me tell you, I was standing over there just trying these suckers on, and they are fire. They are fire. Let me just show you. Numero 1. excuse me? Just don't talk to me, ever. Pair number 2. I look like a bug. How could, like, just eats. Eats. And these are my favorite pair, and plus they were like, honestly, all these were half off. Everything in Forever 21 was half off, so I got all this stuff. Look at these. So this is what I want to wear with, I'll just show you guys in a sec, but eats. I also got these joints. I saw them on the picture of the girl wearing them, and they just look so freaking good. I had to get them. I am in my straight jean era, and I have too many actually at this point. And then I got this like shawl cover. Honestly, these are so pointless to me, but like this is cute. Like I like this. So yeah. Is that all I got? Let's make some outfits. Yeah, I definitely lied. Like, y'all are just gonna have to see. I'm still packing right now. Y'all are just gonna have to see the outfits when I get there, when the pictures are posted on the video. But like, they're fire. Let me just tell you, I did my thing with these fits. I'm not even done. I want to pack one more fit. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.